Guys, so this is going to be like a get ready with me, but I won't be really talking. This is going to be lash glitter I'm using because I'll be doing some glitter brows today. Today's carnival. I wish I could upload this video today, but I know I'm not going to come home in time to edit it. So I'm just going to go in with the side of the brush, and I'm just going to draw on the shape that I basically want for my glitter brows. So normally when I do my devotion, when I'm up this early, it is now
let's pray together.
3:44.
Lord Jesus, in symbolic language, you warned of judgment from God, saying, the judge will hand you over to the police and you will be put in jail.
So this part always gets me. What I'm doing now is that I'm just drawing the shape that I want, basically, without having to pencil it. So I'm using the glue as like my eyeliner then, you know, to like do my brows. So this is my gold glitter. I got this years ago, from the Vernier foundation. I did and I think it was kind of like an unboxing somewhat, you know, where they gave me like this pink pulley case filled with makeup, and I'm just so grateful. And yes, I just wet the glitter with some saliva from my body. So this blue glitter is also a gold glitter, but I don't remember the name of it. It doesn't have a name. It's like numbers, like 1x whatever. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to be going, you didn't see, but I went back and forth between the two glitters, so I have them blend nicely. Now the first person I saw do this was gosh, what's her name? She's a drag queen. I can't remember her name, but it's the first person I saw do a glitter brow. Oh my gosh, her glitter brow is just to die for, because it was a lot darker. No, I don't know why this works, but the concealer trick works, and I know it's weird and it's a glitter, it's texture. I don't know what the science is behind it, but this is what I use to clean up my glitter every single time I do use the glitter. Whenever I do my glitter eyebrows, and I have more than one glitter eyebrow tutorial, but I wanted to show you guys this one because this is the look I wore for carnival. Now whenever I'm doing carnival makeup, as in I'm working, I don't like to do much with my eyes. I like to do statement makeup looks, even out either bold lips or bold lashes, or hell, some glitter eyebrows. I love the gradient. You see that? You see that with the brows? Ah, it's gorgeous, honey. So this is my Sasha Cosmetics primer. This is their mattifying primer, and I'm going to be putting this all over, and I'm just wiping off the glue off my hands. That's the glue. That's the glue. And I'm going to put this all over my face, going to rub that in. Then I'm going to be going in with my, what that name again? My LA Pro, oh God, it's from LA Girl, and it's their orange corrector. So I covered this in my 101 series with my foundation. I'll link that in the description bar for you guys if you want to watch it. But basically I'm just kind of getting rid of the discoloration on my face before I put my foundation on. No truth, all my hair grew from them time then. Cause now I look at my hair and the care and I pray black man say I'm not in a blonde. Anyway, the truth is I can use a full coverage foundation, but recently I've been loving the look of using my orange corrector with my Huda Beauty foundation. So I'm just blending this out with my Beauty blender. So next I'm going to be going in with my Huda Beauty foundation, and I'm going to be taking this all over my face and under my neck, because I do have discoloration under my neck as well. Yeah. So I'm just gonna flat top brush, and I'm just going all over my face. You see I'm going right, you see, even for my brows, so I kind of extended the concealer that I used to clean up. I didn't just draw a line. The concealer goes like all right on my forehead, and I did that deliberately, so that it's easy for me to blend out. So that's what one side of my face looks like. I love this foundation. Anyway, I'm gonna be low lighting with Ebony Brown from Black Opal. This is actually a foundation, but woo, oh gosh, I need to get carob. Like, Black Opal is speaking to me right now. Like, I'm loving Black Opal. It's OG product for me. You know, for me, I used to use it. This is the only thing I used to use in my YouTube career because I couldn't afford to buy anything else. And I did some bangers, you know, with my Black Opal foundations. But yeah. So I'm just blending out. I'm low lighting. Then I'm taking my beauty blender and just kind of blending everything together. You know, making sure the lines are seamless, nice and contoured. I have a full video of how I do my foundation, um, corrector, conceal, contour, all that stuff. So that's the same video with the orange corrector in it. So I'll just go ahead and link that in the description bar below for you guys. So yeah. So now I'm going to be highlighting, and I'm highlighting with Rich Caramel, and this also is from Black Opal. It's also a foundation, not a concealer, but I'm a full coverage girl. I don't mind when my makeup is full coverage. Also, because it is carnival, I have to kind of make my makeup last, you know, because it's like at 3 something in the morning, as I showed you guys, or 4 something. I don't know. I think left at 4. It's probably 3 something. So I know my makeup had to stay on for the entire day. And I have a vlog of me wearing this look on my vlog channel, Lyric Uncut. So I can just go ahead and search Lyric Uncut. You know what? I'll just link it in the description bar below for you guys, so it's easier for you to watch. So I'm just using my beauty blender and then blending out. The reason I'm using my beauty blender is because it will soak up some of the products as well. And you know, it's just a little bit heavy, which I don't mind. Look at me, I had to switch my hands because I spoke to my doctor, and I don't know if it's carpal tunnel, but my hands get really tired, and recently my hands get swollen. Whenever I'm putting on my foundation, like blending, my hands get like swollen, like the blood can't circulate, and it gets kind of stiff and tingly. Okay, so now I'm using my Huda Beauty Blondie, and this is just a loose powder that they have from Huda Beauty, and I'm using this to set the lighter areas of my face, or where I put Rich Caramel. So wherever I put Rich Caramel, this is where I'm putting Blondie from Huda Beauty. And I'm also using Blondie right here on my brow bone as well, just to kind of set the concealer that's there. You know, set the move on down during the day and so, because I go to plan for work, and work I shall. Alright, so now let's go to my all over face. And for my all over face, I'm using my Sasha Perfect Spice powder, and this is going everywhere else. So everywhere else, just like all over honey, all over me, and it's keeping me alive, keeping me alive, So now I'm applying my lashes, and these lashes don't have names, they have numbers, and I don't remember what number I'm using, but these lashes are found at Mirror JA. They're probably muted in this video, but these lashes, honey boo boo, are long, honey. I'm talking, they have distance, baby. Like, they done booked a flight, honey. Like, they are long. They're aerial, sweetie. Google done seen these lashes from my home. You Google search these bad boys, you gonna see them. They long. So I'm just applying these little bones on lashes. Oh my gosh, I love these so much. Oh, and I have something to tell you guys too. So I've been using hair glue as a lash adhesive, which is not uncommon to a lot of you. But I realized that it is ruining my false lashes. Not even my real lashes. Let's not talk about my real. I mean, my real lashes are being ripped out every day, but I'm talking about the false lashes. They can mash them up. So big up Huda Beauty, and this is what I'm going to be doing as my highlight. I'm going to be using the cream side of it. I'm obsessed with cream highlight. Obsessed with cream highlight. I think they're just the best, and I do have a one-on-one video on highlighting as well, and I think I use a cream because that's just where I'm at right now. Alright, so just putting the highlight where I want to put it, basically where I want light to hit. So now I'm going for my lips, and I'm taking my LA Girl Pro primer in black, and this is gonna be my lips. So this is the end of the tutorial, and stay tuned to the rest of the video. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not, share, and all that good stuff. And this is the entire look, you guys. So with rose black lips, dramatic lashes. I'm literally rushing out the door. It is now 4:12. Not sure if you guys can see that, but it's 4:12 and I cannot be late. So yeah,